Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make money on Binance. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance, next click on the icon in the upper left corner of the screen and select Earn. Here is page with the names of coins and percentage for investing. I have a near coin on this account, so let's look at its example. Click and see the number of days to invest and the interest for the year. There is also a flexible percentage. For example, let's choose 120 days at 10%. Then we enter the number of coins. I have 40 coins on this account and look below the investment time and the number of hours received in near coins. You can also choose an auto subscribe and the investment will last on the same terms, or do not choose and all coins will return to the spot wallet. Then we read all the conditions and click confirm. Also on this page there is an available quota, and if you keep money in cryptocurrency you can invest it with Binance. For example, I invest 1000 NIR. On these terms you will earn 33 NIR in 4 months. Moreover, you will receive a reward exclusively in coins, not dollars, so if the value of the coin increases in dollars, you will receive even more, or vice versa. You can also invest other coins such as Bitcoin or USDT or Zeus that you have. That's all. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.